guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Supra Oracle token from Starkey wallet to Bybit exchange. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on what to do and how you can do it. So this update is mainly for those of you that participated in the Supra Oracle Airdrop campaign and you want to withdraw your Supra token allocation to a centralized exchange. So you can use Bybit, you can use Gate.io, I think you can use Bitget and KuCoin. So for you to get started, this is what you need to do. So first of all, you need to visit Bybit exchange. For those of you that don't have an account in Bybit exchange, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video that is going to guide you. So create an account on Bybit exchange with my link, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video. So you can verify Bybit exchange with any of your valid identity card. You can use maybe national passport, national ID card, and voter's card, I think, depending on the country. But if you're in Nigeria, you can use your plastic name. I think you can also use your paper name, and you can use driver's license and national ID card. So what you need to do is to click on assets. After clicking on assets, you click on deposit. Now what you need to do is to click on deposit crypto. Now look for Supra, type Supra. So you can see this is Supra. Click on it, click on Supra, and you're going to see your receiver's address. So you just click here. Now what you need to do is to visit your Starkey wallet extension. So this is my Starkey wallet extension. Okay, so now you click on Supra. So what you need to do now is to click on send, then just paste the address here. Okay, but first of all, before you send out your Supra token to Bybit exchange or any centralized exchange, please make sure to load the minimum deposit. So the address, click on it. Let's load the minimum deposit. I think no minimum cap. You can send any amount, so no minimum cap here. So what you need to do, let me just, for the sake of this video, since I don't have much Supra token, I just have like 2.9, I will just risk 2. Let me just send, no, sorry, I'm not sending 2, just send 0.2. Click on view, click send. Alright, so processing. Okay, looking on the screen, done. So for the sake of this video, I don't have much Supra allocation. How to guide you on how to do it. So let me disable this. So let's wait for it to enter my wallet. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, you can see I just got the Supra. So you can send any amount you want, but it is always advisable to send like above $5 worth of Supra, so that you can maybe convert it to USDT. So now you click here and see I just got my Supra allocation. So now for you to convert Supra to USDT, you just click here. You can use limit order, you can use market order. If you want fast transaction, use market order. Click on max like this, then you click on sell. Sorry, click on sell, click max, then you click on sell. If you want to buy, you click here, buy with USDT. So this is how you can withdraw your Supra allocation from Starkey wallet to Bybit exchange and to any exchange of your choice. So just click on deposit, get the address, paste it on Starkey wallet, and you are good to go. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys and many more grains to your wallet.